Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the iVCam connecting problem. I have installed both the mobile app and the PC client and both are open and it's not working. Let's fix it. First, you need to check your connection. Your mobile and PC must be on the same network. In my case, my mobile was using H4G and my PC was on dialog, so they were different. I switched my PC to the same network as my mobile. After that, restart both the mobile app and the PC client, and it should work. If it still doesn't work, search for VPN in the Start menu and open VPN settings. If you have any VPN connected, turn it off. VPN changes your IP address, so iVCam won't connect properly while it's on. Next, search for firewall in the Start menu and open it. Go to Allow and Approve Firewall and find iVCam in the list. Make sure it's allowed on your network type. I have private connection, so I enabled that. You can also try enabling both options. Now your iVCam should connect without any problem. Restart both apps and check again. If it still doesn't work, comment below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.